In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to your website. To get started, sign into your website dashboard and make sure you're on the main admin area where all of your site settings and tools are available. This is usually the best place to begin because it gives you access to the integrations and communication features connected to your site. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the search bar. This search tool is helpful because it lets you quickly find specific settings without having to manually browse through menus. In the search bar, type in Inbox Channels. As the result appears, click on it to open the section where your website's messaging and email connections are managed. After that page loads, you should be able to see Gmail listed as one of the available options. Find Gmail and click Set Up. This starts the connection process between your website and your Gmail account. If your platform supports multiple inbox providers, this section is where you choose the one you want to use, and in this case, that's Gmail. Next, you'll be prompted to continue with Google. Go ahead and click the option to continue. This will redirect you to Google's secure sign-in and authorization page. Here you'll need to enter the required account information and follow the on-screen prompts. Be sure to review the permissions being requested so you understand what access is being granted. This is a normal part of connecting Gmail to external tools, and it allows your website to send, receive, or manage email features through your Gmail account, depending on the platform. Once you've entered the necessary details, continue through the prompts and agree to the terms if you're ready to proceed. After you confirm everything, the connection should be completed, and that's it. Your Gmail account should now be connected to your website. If you don't see the connection appear right away, give it a few moments and refresh the page. It's also a good idea to double-check that you signed into the correct Google account before finishing the setup, especially if you manage more than one. With the connection in place, your website will be ready to use Gmail through the Inbox Channel settings. Thanks for watching.